What is up, you guys? It's your girl Snob on the beat, and I am back again with another video.
Crazy in love.
High volume.
So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this glam. This is what I consider the Baddie glam. Perfect for every day. Super easy, actually, super simple. Still giving what's supposed to be gave, period. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys turn on that notification bell so you won't miss when I upload. So like I said, in today's video, we're going to be getting into this glam. This is going to be my 2025 makeup tutorial. I never title my videos tutorials because it's just me showing y'all what I do. If you don't know how to do your makeup or you don't know where to start, this is the perfect video. So make sure you guys get your makeup brushes, get your palettes, get your contour wands, and let me show y'all how to get this beat right here. So come on. The first step into a flawless baddie beat is going to be your prep. So skincare routine and priming are two separate things. You want to do both to ensure that you have like a flawless face. So skincare is already done, cleansed face, moisturized, etc. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with my first primer, which is going to be the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is actually the Magic Water Cream. So I start out with this first, and I already primed my face. That's why I'm super dewy right now. So I started off with this first, give it about 60 seconds for it to dry down. Then I'll go in with my Hydro Grip primer from Milk. Now this primer is going to be my grippy primer. This is going to ensure longevity in my makeup and make sure it lasts all day, as well as give it a little bit of transfer resistance. Not a whole lot, but just a little more than any ordinary primer. The next primer I'll go in with is going to be the Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and this is the blurring one. I do apply this on my nose, my chin, my forehead, and on my cheeks because those are the areas of my face that get oily the fastest, and I do want that to have just a more mattified look than the rest of my face. I'm going to move on to my brows. I am a brow first girly. Always have been, always will be. So once my brows are powdered and prepped, I like to go in with a brow pencil. Right now, my go-to is the Gxve Gxve brow pencil. This is in the shade number 6. It's kind of like a dark brown, deep brown type of shade.
Just wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that bitch, hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fruit, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground, roll up.
21, flexing on that bitch, hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21 go get the stick, hold up. Hold up, bitch, I like the ball, hold up, without no weave you ball, hold up, bitch, I spent your rent inside the mall, hold up, she got a nigga, but he broke, she lost, hold up, at this private location, hold up, put her back in rotation, hold up, bitches on me, immigration, hold up, going through the translations, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch, I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet.
All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Hold up, bitch, my.
Okay, so brows are done. Now it's time to move on to this base. So this is like my base before the base, if that makes sense. So I go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Elf, not Elf, because I usually do use the Elf Halo Glow, but now I'm just going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Apply this to areas where I want a little more coverage, and this also gives me a nice glowy base.
Hold up, and she love to let me paint her face.
Hold up, fell in love with some good throw. Hold up, fell in love with some good throw. Hold up.
Then I like to conceal. So for my first concealer, we're gonna do something fancy because I haven't did a YouTube video in a while. So we're gonna pull out the big guns. The concealer I'm gonna use today is the Hourglass.
And on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand.
And then I also like to go in with one of my Sephora collection concealers. And then while I let the Hourglass dry just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit, I will go in with my blush.
Held up with no condom, shipped her right back out the country. And I'm sipping codeine, tests all on my stomach.
Hold up. 10 bad bitches in a match. Rich on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last night, Savage.
Now I do like a brighter under eye, so I'm going to take 33 neutral from Sephora and just place it right there. And I'm gonna let that dry down. Liquid bronzer.
My ex bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that bitch, hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fruit. Roll up, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up.
21. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch. Hold up.
Now, while my under eye concealer is still drying down a little bit, I am going to go in with my foundation. Lately, I've been gravitating towards my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation, only because I realized that I too shed my melanin in the winter time. So this is one of the only foundations that I have that isn't super dark. It actually is a really good match for my skin complexion right now. I do get my foundation like a shade and a half or a shade darker because I do brighten up and things like that. But as of right now, in the winter time, since I go 1 to 2 shades darker and I have shedded a bit of my melanin, those shades are way too dark for me right now. So yeah, this is the one that's been doing well for me, and I actually really like this foundation. I like the finish of it, I like the coverage of it, so I'm not mad at it.
You got rainbow on your feet, bro, bitch.
Hold up. Corny niggas don't impress me. Hold up. Never let a bitch dress me. Hold up. Can't no motherfucking judge check me. Hold up. I don't give a fuck about no ring.
Hold up. Money make my old bitches hate. Hold up.
Alright, now that our foundation is all blended out, it is time to go ahead and blend out the concealer up under the eye.
Face.
Hold up. Fell in love with some good throw. Hold up. Fell in love with some good throw. Hold up. Real no confidential papers up. Hold up. You done made me weigh my savage up. Hold up.
I'm just stunting on my.
Alright, so our last cream slash liquid product is going to be our contour. Now, I do contour my nose, but I only bronze my face. And I do this because I realized the contour, I don't know if it's the shade that I have, the shades that I have, but it's a bit too harsh for me when I put it on my face. So I only use the smallest amount when I'm doing my nose, and I felt like the bronzer really wasn't doing enough. Like, I like to be able to see the dimension like so when I'm doing my nose contour, and I feel like the bronzer that I have, the liquid bronzer that I have, just wasn't doing that for me. But it does something on the face that I love, so I just, you know, to each his own. We live and we learn, and this is what works for me. So nose is contoured, all of our liquid slash cream products are placed. I'm going to go ahead with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and I'm going to spray my face. This is going to be our first layer of setting spray. This is going to be another one of those steps that helps ensure the longevity of the makeup. So our first one was a grippy primer. Second is going to be making sure you set your face in between steps. I'm going to let this dry down, and then, like I said, I'm going to remove my remaining lip balm that's on my lips so that we can move on to powders.
Bad bitches in a match. Rich on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that bitch, hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fruit. Roll up, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up.
21. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch. Hold up. 21 go get the stick. Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up. Bitch, I like the ball. Hold up. Hold up. Without no weave, you ball. Hold up. Bitch, I spent your rent inside the mall. Hold up, she got a nigga, but he broke, she lost.
Hold up, at this private location. Hold up, put her back in rotation. Hold up, bitches on me, immigration. Hold up, going through the translations.
I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Hold up, bitch, my Rolex on fleek, hold up, bitch, my diamonds on fleek, bling, blah. Hold up, I got gold on my teeth, hold up, you got rainbow on your feet, bro, bitch.
Hold up, corny niggas don't impress me. Hold up, never let a bitch dress me. Hold up, can't no motherfucking judge check me.
Round 2 of the Charlotte Tilbury. Alright, so next step, while I'm still drying down, we're going to move on to eyes. As you've seen, we already popped our bronzer on our eyelids, something simple, cute, and easy. So now we're gonna move on to mascara. Now, if you are a extensions girly, you can skip this step, or if you don't wear eyelashes, you can skip this step.
Hold up.
I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. 10 bad bitches in a mash. Rich on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding.
And them drugs come in handy. Last name Hendrix, bitch, but no, I'm not Jimmy. Held up with no condom, shipped her right back out the country. And I'm sipping codeine, tats all on my stomach.
Okay, so now it's time for lashes, and we're going to take the Kiss Lash Glue. I like to line my lash line and the lashes with the lash glue. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes, and I also added me some bottom clusters just for a little razzle dazzle. Now the next part is going to be lips.
Hard and your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that bitch. Hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fruit. Roll up, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up.
21. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up.
Okay, so lips are done, and I actually realized I skipped a step. I usually do this before I do my lips, but it's okay. So I do take a pressed foundation powder. Voila. A baddie makeup look is not complete unless you got your FOMOs. So I like to take this little liquid eyeliner and just create faux beauty marks. The final set. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell just so you know when I upload another new video. Bye guys.